I'm bored. I'm bored. I'm super bored. I don't even know what to do. Hey, bro. Want to go outside and go for a walk with me around the pool? Yeah, bro. Okay, I'm gonna go outside with you. Find me someone to spend time with me. Let's go. Okay, bro. Sure is getting stormy, bro. Ugh. Super stormy. Yeah, excited for the storm. Storm. Go for a walk. All these plants are beautiful. Ground's soaking. Oh, plants are so cool. Yeah, bro, they are. It's a great day. Hey, bud, are you coming? Yep. Look at all these buttercups. Buttercup. Wow. Come on, friend. Let's go. Oh, this feels good. You have to walk, okay? No. I love being curious. Fine. You're so heavy. What? I'm sorry, bro. I can't carry you. You're too heavy. That's all right, bro. Oh my god, the storm. Come on, storm. Get heavier. Watch me go high. Whoa! Are you kidding me? No. I have a broken ankle. No! We need to take you to the doctors right away. Ow! Which one is it? It's that one. This foot right here? Yes. Take you right away. Oh, you're so heavy. Ow! Oh my god, I'm taking you. But a storm, I should go inside anyways. The storm's getting closer. Quick! Good. Whoa! It's getting so stormy. I can't live like this. I can't. I just can't. You have to, bud. You have to. I can't. Goodbye. Goodbye, world. No! He's dead. Anyways. Oh, it's a storm. Bro. Oh, look, a birdie. soaking out. Guys, it's so windy here. Super windy. It's coming. It's coming. Come on, wind. You can do it. Come on, thunderstorm. You're. Do you give up already? Ha ha. Well, it looks like the storm is going away. I hope you loved this video, and please subscribe and take a thumbs up, and bye. Well, I'm gonna go take a nap.